Okay, so there's the next part of the video. It's been a little slow getting them out due to COVID and the way work and life is. Next part is the top of the legs, the hips. So I've got to make that. So at the moment, I don't know if you can hear, I have a 3D model printing of the hips, the top of the legs, which I'll use as my reference. And then, so it's this piece here, I don't know if you can see it in there. It's, I'm using a wire model to see all the parts, and then I've built the PEP file, which is on my website. Link is wherever links are nowadays. So now I'm just going to get the blueprints made and start cutting out EVA foam. So 3D printed the piece of the hip, the top of the leg. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the inside of it, because it's all flat, and then I'm going to build the rest onto it. So I took that 3D model, created a PEP file which you can get off my website, and then find all these pieces, stick them together so you've got your blueprint. Get a piece of foam board. This is 5mm foam board I'm using as my base plate. Put that on there. Make two of them, one for the left leg, one for the right leg, and once we've got those we'll start building from them. And then once we've done that, we'll be using EVA foam to create all the pieces. So I can't really walk you through this bit as such. As you can see, you pick an area, you find it on the PEP, you cut it out, and then this is what you'll do, you'll find an area and using the usual ways of cutting a groove down the back, put a bit of glue in, bend it into the shapes that you want. Remember to do left and right both at the same time. That's what it looks like. There we go. So left and right, so I'm basically trying to make sure that I build symmetrically with this project. The good thing about the power loader is left and right are the same except for the flamethrower down the cage on the front. Okay, so you just keep taking your foam, cutting away, making it look like the 3D printed model, and here we go. So here we go. We have a big version of the little version. It's only the basic shape because the idea is once the legs are done, I'm going to go over it and I'll sand it with a Dremel, get all the seams nice. But so far, there we go. Looks pretty much like it. It's nice and sturdy, but also very lightweight. And that's the idea. This costume is so big that it needs to be as light as possible. So that's why I make these little ones so I can actually see it. I can see I'm missing a bar from here actually. I've realised there's a bar there. It's not there. I'm going to finalise all that. But for now, that's the video for the hips. There's two of them. This is what it looks like on the legs. So there we go. There's the hip parts, one on either side, and that's what it looks like when they're going to be on the legs and the feet. So let's get the stilts in next and start work on the torso.